Welcome to my channel guys. Today in this video we are going to finish some important MCQs from the modern age. So without delay let's begin with our first question. Which of the following novels of Joseph Conrad brings to the fore his anti-Russian feelings? Friends, Under Western Eyes is a 1911 novel by Joseph Conrad that brings to the fore his anti-Russian feelings. So, the right choice is number C. Joseph Conrad brings to the fore his anti-Russian feelings in the novel Under Western Eyes. Second question. T.S. Eliot got Nobel Prize in which year? The Nobel Prize in Literature 1948 was awarded to Thomas Stance Eliot for his outstanding pioneering contribution to the present-day poetry. Hence, the right choice is number B. In the year 1948, T.S. Eliot got Nobel Prize. Question number 3. Kirch is the protagonist of which novel? Kirch is a central fictional character in Joseph Conrad's 1899 novella Heart of Darkness. Consequently, the right choice is number D. Kirch is the protagonist of the novel Heart of Darkness. Question number 4. Who among the following wrote the unfinished epic The Cantos? The Cantos is a long poem written by an American poet Ezra Pound, which was published in the year 1925. Hence, the right choice is number D. The Cantos was written by Ezra Pound. Question number 5. Which movement is connected to the slogan Art for Art's Sake? Art for Art's Sake is associated in the history of English art and letters with the Oxford Don Walter Pater and his followers in the aesthetic movement. Consequently, the answer is number A. Art for Art's Sake is associated with the movement aestheticism. Question number 6. Which of the following plays of Shaw has an anti-romantic comedy as its subtitle? Anti-romantic comedy is a subtitle of Arms and the Man published in the year 1894. Hence, the right choice is number C. Arms and the Man has its subtitle as an anti-romantic comedy. Question number 7. In how many parts is the Wasteland divided into? The Wasteland, divided into 5 parts, is a poem by T.S. Eliot, widely regarded as one of the most important poems of the 20th century and a central work of modernist poetry. Hence, the right option is number D. The Wasteland divided into 5 parts. Question number 8. James Joyce's Ulysses is based on the pattern of Ulysses, a modernist novel by Irish writer James Joyce, is based on the pattern of Homer's Odyssey. So, the right option is number A. James Joyce's Ulysses is based on the pattern of Homer's Odyssey. Question number 9. James Joyce initiated with a new narrative technique known as stream of consciousness. The technique was first used by William James. Then, the right choice is number C. James Joyce initiated with stream of consciousness technique. Question number 10. The phrase religion of blood is associated with D.H. Lawrence. Hence, the right choice is number C. Religion of blood is associated with D.H. Lawrence. Question number 11. The main character of the play, The Playboy of the Western World is The Playboy of the Western World, published in 1907, is a 3-act play written by Irish playwright J.M. Synge, holds the main character named Christy Mahon. Hence, the right choice is number D. The main character of the play, The Playboy of the Western World, is Christy Mahon. Question number 12. In which novel do Mr. and Mrs. Morel appear as important characters? Sons and Lovers is a 1913 novel by D.H. Lawrence in which Mr. and Mrs. Morel appear as important characters. Then the right choice is number B. In Sons and Lovers, Mr. and Mrs. Morel appear as important characters. Question number 13. James Joyce was an Irish novelist who contributed to the modernist avant-garde movement and is regarded as one of the most influential and important writers of the 20th century. So, the right choice is number C. James Joyce was a novelist. Question number 14. The Lagoon is a short story by Joseph Conrad, first published in 1897 in The Lagoon is a short story by Joseph Conrad composed in 1896 and first published in Cornhill magazine in 1897. Hence, the right choice is number A. The Lagoon was first published in 1897 in Cornhill magazine. Question number 15. George V ascended the throne in. George V was the King of the United Kingdom and the British Dominions and Emperor of India from 6 May 1910 until his death in 1936. Hence, the right choice is number B. George V ascended the throne in the year 1910. Question number 16. In which play does Chocolate Cream Soldier appear? Arms and the Man is a humorous play by George Bernard Shaw that was first performed and published in 1894. So, the right choice is number A. In Arms and the Man, the Chocolate Cream Soldier appeared. Question number 17. In which year was Gitanjali of Rabindranath Tagore translated in English? Gitanjali was translated in English by Rabindranath Tagore. An introduction of the first edition was written by W.B. Yeats. The book was translated in English into the year 1912. So, the right choice is number C. In the year 1912, Gitanjali was translated in English. Question number 18. Melodrama is a kind of play of. Jean-Jacques Rousseau invented the melodrama in his dramatic monologue Pygmalion. The word itself, literary meaning, music drama or song drama. It is a kind of violent and sensational themes. Hence, the right choice is number A. Melodrama is a kind of play of violent and sensational themes. Question number 19. What is an epic? An epic is defined as a long poem telling a tale of a fictional or historical hero. An example of epic is Milton's Paradise Lost. So, the right choice is number D. An epic is a long poem. Last question. Who is the greatest modern English dramatist? Bernard Shaw was an Irish playwright, critic, polemicist and political activist. He is considered as the greatest modern English dramatist. So, the right choice is number C. George Bernard Shaw is the greatest modern English dramatist. So guys, in the next video I will upload more important MCQs for today. Thank you.